Hello students, welcome to Bitoxygen Academy. I am Gautami Geeta. We had already discussed various features of IPv4 addresses. Today we are going to learn about its part 2, which contains various classes of IPv4, or we can say class full addressing scheme of IPv4. Today you will approximately get the answer of my question as asked in my previous video lecture, that was classes were available for us. Why classes are not available for us nowadays? So let's start the session with the introduction of classful addressing. IPv4 is a 32-bit format which is further divided into 4 parts, and each part is of 8 bits. So these parts are known as octets. These were represented in two forms. First is dotted decimal and second is binary format as shown in the figure. Its total address space is of 2 to the power 32. Why 2 to the power 32? With the help of 2 bits, we can create 2 to the power 2 combination which is equal to 4, and these combinations are 00, 01, 10 and 11. Similarly, for 3 bits, we can create 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 combinations, which are 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110 and 111. Now, you are able to understand why 2 to the power 32. Since we had total 32 bits, so we can create 2 to the power 32 combinations, and each combination represent one address. In binary format, it is ranging between all 32 bits 0 to all 32 bits 1, and in dotted decimal notation, it is 0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. Its total sum is 2 to the power 32, which is equal to 429 crore 49 lakh 67,296, and approximately it is equal to 4 billion addresses. Before 1980s, out of these 32 bits, starting 8 bits were reserved as of network bits as shown in the figure. Here, first 8 bits are network bits which are represented as N, and remaining 24 bits are host bits represented as H. These starting 8 bits are known as network ID field, and remaining bits were known as REST field or local addresses. Later this was known as host ID field. So the total number of networks which can be created with the help of these 8 bits is equal to 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. We can create only 256 networks with the previous scheme. Similarly, total number of hosts in each 256 networks are 2 to the power 24. Since we have 24 host bits, so we can create 2 to the power 24 combinations. Thus, we have 2 to the power 24 is equal to 1 crore 67 lakh 72,216 host addresses, which is approximately equal to 16 million. For example, network number 10 is reserved for ARPANET. In binary, it can be represented as 00001010 and remaining 24 bits as of local host ID. We can understand it as a network of ARPANET whose network IP is 10.0.0.0, and let there were some devices used under ARPANET, which are device 1, device 2 and device 3, whose IP addresses are 10.1.3.6 for device 1, 10.2.3.1 for device 2, 10.3.4.254 for device 3. ARPANET was the first widely accepted network, which stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was established by ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency of United States Department of Defense. There were various classes of IPv4 addresses were introduced in 1981. We had already discussed that previously only 256 networks were available in which we can connect approximately 16 million hosts. But after 1980s, the needs were changed. Various organizations were evolved and all want their unique IP, but they don't be able to consume this amount of host addresses. So, due to changed demands, IP were divided into various classes with various network sizes. Here, network size specifies total number of hosts which can be connected in the network. Based on three different network sizes, three classes were introduced which provides unicast addresses, and these classes are class A, class B and class C. Class D was introduced for multicasting and class E was reserved for future or research purposes related to military and defense. That's all for today's session. We will discuss class A addresses in our next session. I hope you liked the video. For any query or suggestion, you can write us on info.bitoxygen@gmail.com as well as in the comment section also. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, that is Bitoxygen Academy. You can also follow us on Instagram on the handler bitoxygen_academy. For more updates of upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video.